Replacing your air filter at the HVAC unit is pretty easy if you follow these rules. Turn the system off before replacing your filter. It makes it much harder to install and replace when the system is pulling air into the opening. This can be done at the thermostat or at the unit itself. Make sure the filter is the correct size. It should always fit snugly into its location. If you have to force it or bend it, then something is wrong. You should never need tools to remove an air filter grill or cover. They do come in different shapes and sizes, but a tool is never required. Before we begin, I'd like to point out that air filter covers may vary depending on system configuration and the type of your home. Yours might look different. Open the flap to the air filter cover. There are metal tracks on the top and bottom of the opening. This is where the air filter will slide into. Be careful because it could be sharp. Notice there is an arrow. This is the direction of the air filter should be inserted. The arrow should always point towards the unit when placed inside the holder. Using the top and bottom tracks as a guide, slide the filter all the way into the opening. It also helps to put the date on the filter when it was replaced so that you know the timing between changes. If you happen to have a media filter, follow the same steps, however the opening will be slightly larger. Also, because it's a larger filter, your frequency of changing your air filter will be different. You can complete the process by reinstalling the cover and turning the unit back on. This is sometimes overlooked when performing this maintenance. Here are a few additional tips. Checking your air filters more often is okay. It is better to check or replace an air filter more often than less. Your system cannot condition the air in your home unless it gets ample airflow through it. Know all locations for your filters. Some homes have more than one air filter due to their layout or the number of zones. All locations need to be checked on a regular basis.